Good evening, everybody, and welcome to Posters Support Foundation and Fundraising. Posters Foundation is founded by Ms. Aprajita Ramdayani, who is a very renowned and I would say, though she's a retired paramilitary officer, her heart still beats for India and every life in India. So, from a paramilitary officer to a single mother, and then to a mother who takes care of 256 lives and counting. Aprajita ji, I want to know from you, why did you start this journey? How come dogs, not kids, not anything else, but dogs?
Yeah, that's the biggest question. Anybody, even interviews will ask that question. Why dogs? Why not humans?
Yes.
Because my own blood also had the same question. Whether it was my mother or my brother, they all had the same problem. Ma'am, I was very fond of cats. At home I had about 40 cats, even when I was young, before getting married. Then my brother took over. Then after marriage only I joined the job. So I moved on to Delhi. So then in 1995, my husband gave me the first dog. You know, I was very skeptical. I don't know how, because I was never used to dogs. But still, I don't know. Shiba, her name was. She was like a daughter, just a daughter to me, and she followed me everywhere, and life changed. Slowly, like that, abandoned dogs from the police started joining me, and they went to 5, 10, like that. In 2004, like, see, everything happened to me after marriage only because I got married at 18. So even joined the police after that only because my husband was my pillar of support. Even when I joined and worked for the prime ministers for 9 good years with 7 prime ministers, all the glory and laurels I owe to him because he left all his seniority, his promotions, and he was good, happy taking care of the children while I was roaming and serving the country everywhere. Suddenly 2004, I lost him suddenly due to multiple organ failure. He had gone home for a holiday and then his relatives, some mishap happened, ma'am. So I don't even want to remember that. I only just got a call and they said, you come immediately. I asked what happened. He said, he's not well. We are admitting him. And then after 2 minutes, they asked me, where should we send the dead body? So you can understand it's almost 20 years, but still I haven't forgotten that one line of theirs. And then I said, I missed the last flight. So tomorrow morning I'll be there. So by the time I reached, I lost him anyway. He died in the night itself. So I could not have my last words with him. But unfortunately, ma'am, you have, a lot of contacts on your phone, hundreds of relatives. All of them is standing outside the window while I was holding on both my children like this. I don't know how to cry, what to say, my children. But none of them even came to touch my shoulder. He had 8 brothers, 2 sisters, more than 6 to 7 uncles. Family, such a big family. At the time of need, I never wanted money because I had a secure job in the government. I just wanted a shoulder to cry upon because my mother was already a widow. I had lost my father 2 years prior to that. And both my brothers were young and one was even sick. So I only wanted a shoulder to cry, but that was not available. And then after the cremation, none of them came home, because I had a lot of questions in my heart. How did this happen? What was wrong with him? All questions unanswered. So they didn't want to answer me, so they never came. So they all pushed off from there, only from the ground. So there was no point in waiting in Chennai. So in 2 days, I packed up my son, my mother, my brother. We took the ashes and then I came and did the other Kriya in Yamuna because he was with me in Delhi for a long time. So all the Kriya we did it in Delhi only, and once for all I forgot even Chennai because what is the point? See, that time only I knew ki it's your own battle and you have to fight. And here I am commanding a women's battalion. There are 1033 women under me, and many are suffering like me also. See, I can't cry in front of them. I wore my uniform on the fourth day. I was on duty. एक साइड क्रिया चल रहा है, एक साइड यूनिफॉर्म पहन के ड्यूटी भी कर रही हूँ, लेकिन रो नहीं सकती. टू माई चिल्ड्रन आई शुड बी वेरी ब्रेव बिकॉज नाउ आई एम अ फादर एंड अ मदर. बट I could grieve only in the night when they were fast asleep or in the washroom opening the bathroom toilet, what to say, the water tap. But I had only two dogs at that time, and they could understand my feelings. They were looking at me. They used to sit in front of me. And they, in fact, I don't know, they only helped me sail through. And then at one point I had to take a decision because both the children were in that vulnerable age. I said I became a DIG also. Then 27 days of tour, and what will happen to the children? So all these days I never worried for such things because my husband was there. But now then I had to leave that passionate service, and then that's how I joined the corporate. And then I understood, ma'am, because see, when I wanted a hand, there was a paw for me. So that is when I decided I should do something for that, and everything after that happened naturally. Slowly, dogs started following me. Two became 10, 10 became 28. Then I went to Chennai, came back with 40. Then God knows how they became 108, and we were living in a society. So every day they used to call the police, कि ये तो body troublesome lady है. So, and one fine morning, they called the society people and they said, let her live in the society. We all are vacating, or she should go. We will be there. Then I said, no problem. You all be there. I will vacate the society. And पुलिस को मैंने कंप्लेन भी किया था. हम लोग कंप्लेन करते तो आप आते नहीं हो, लेकिन एक लेडी के खिलाफ कंप्लेन किया था, यू आ गया. आई नो इट्स अ गिमिक ओनली, बट आई विल ऑल्सो राइट अगेंस्ट यू. डोंट वरी करके मैंने भी डीजीपी को लेटर लिख दिया था, फिर उसको सस्पेंड करवाया मैंने. क्योंकि क्योंकि मैम रात को 7 men कम एंड स्टैंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ माई हाउस, और आपका गाड़ी का सायरन चल रहा है, एंड एवरीबडी इज पीपिंग आउट एंड सीइंग इस लेडी करती क्या है, ये इसको पुलिस पकड़ने आ गई रात को. यू नो द शेम, यू नो वे. एंड दे सेड कि ये तो कुत्ते को रख के धंधा करती है. दैट्स द वर्ड दे यूज ना. मुझे आई कुड नॉट बेर. मैं तो आई वॉज वेरी फेरोशियस. आई सेड कि तुम लोग क्या मर्द है क्या करके, पता नहीं मैंने क्या क्या बोल दिया. आई सेड गो एंड सी, द फर्स्ट प्रोटोकॉल वी फॉलो इज, एक फीमेल डॉग आने से हमारा घर में सबसे पहले उसको ऑपरेशन हम करते हैं, क्योंकि हमें खुद पता है वी कांट हैंडल सो मेनी मेल डॉग्स ना. फर्स्ट उसको ऑपरेट करते हैं, तभी तो हम उसको एक्सेप्ट ही करते हैं. आप क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप, हम अपना पेट काट के इनको पाल रहे हैं और ऐसे ऐसे बात बोल रहे हैं. आप जाओ जाके देखो कितनी दिन दे पीप, कुत्ता लंगड़ा रहा है, कर रहा है, अंधा है. लेकिन बोला क्या करे मैडम, कंप्लेंट तो एक और पुलिस ऑफिसर ही कर रहा करके ये सिचुएशन हो गया था. तो देन दैट इज हाउ मैंने जो भी था, मैं मेरा घर था, मेरा एंसेस्ट्रल हाउस था, सब कुछ बेच बाच के वी बॉट दिस लैंड इन दनकौर. अभी 7 साल हो गए, 8th year इज रनिंग. तो हमने ऐसे कंस्ट्रक्ट करके आ गया. कोई मैंने घर भी इधर ही बना दिया ताकि बिकॉज आई वांट टू बी विद देम. तो हम दोनों साथ ही रहते हैं. कोई घर में विंडो भी नहीं था, मैं सीधा आ गई बिकॉज क्या करना है, बिकॉज दे वर आफ्टर आवर लाइफ. तो 7 years से इधर है मैम. नाउ द नंबर हैज रिसन टू 256 हो गया अभी. तो हाँ, अब मैं कॉर्पोरेट में लास्ट ईयर 2 years तक काम कर रही थी, अभी मैंने छोड़ दिया. फुल टाइम आई एम इनटू दिस नाउ. प्लस जो भी है मैम आप लोगों से सीखा है उसी से आई एम, वॉट एवर आई एम अर्निंग आई एम डूइंग. बट लेकिन मैम जाने के पहले मेरा ये है कि इट्स नॉट अबाउट मी फीडिंग दिस डॉग्स, बट आफ्टर मी व्हाट हैपेंस ना, एक चीज तो है. तो आई वांट टू क्रिएट दैट व्हाट टू से कॉर्पस फंड, एक ऐसे सस्टेनेबल सॉल्यूशन बनाना चाहती हूँ ताकि उनकी पैसा उनके पास आ जाए. लैंड तो इनके पास है बिकॉज इट्स फॉर देम ओनली. कोई इवन माय सन्स कैन नॉट थ्रो देम आउट. सब इन्हीं की है. बट वो खाने के लिए क्या करें, उसके लिए तो आई एम वर्किंग ऑन दिस. मैंने यही सोचा था कि आई विल हैव टू वर्क डे एंड नाइट फॉर दैट, so that I keep something for them solution, so that the food also comes to them, and food and their operation and medical expenses. क्योंकि 1.5 लाख रुपया तो मेडिसिन और इनकी ऑपरेशन में खर्च हो जाता है मैम. क्योंकि ऐसे पप्स को फेंक देते हैं, फिर उनका भी करना पड़ता है ना, फीमेल का ऑपरेशन स्टरलाइजेशन करना पड़ता है. फिर कैंसर है तो कीमोथेरेपी वही 14 शॉट्स देना पड़ता है. सब कुछ सेम ह्यूमंस का कितना ट्रीटमेंट है वही है मैम. हॉस्पिटल जितनी अच्छे हैं इन द सेंस दे विल चार्जेस, बट इतना है कि दे होल्ड ऑन की मतलब आप दे देना मैम, कब आपसे होगा. दैट्स हाउ बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस इन दैट इट इज रनिंग मैम. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. आई एम स्टिल हैप्पी एंड वेरी स्ट्रांग इन माइंड कि हो जाएगा. यही है स्टोरी.
हैट्स ऑफ टू यू अपराजिता जी, बिकॉज जो आप कर रहे हो ना वो शायद मैं तो नहीं कर सकती. बाकी लोगों का मुझे नहीं पता, बट मैं नहीं कर सकती. एंड ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, हम बात करते हैं जिंदगी में चेंज लाने की. आप ऑलरेडी वो कर रहे हो इन सच अ ब्यूटिफुल मैनर, विदाउट बीइंग डिपेंडेंट ऑन एनीबॉडी एंड विदाउट ब्लेमिंग द
सब
वर्ल्ड.
छोड़ दिया ना मैम. सी एवरीबडी हैड अ कंप्लेन, आपके घर में कुत्ता है हम नहीं आ सकते हैं. आई हैव मेड दिस द रूल मैम. मैं मेरे बच्चे हैं वो आई एम स्टेइंग विद देम, आई एम दे आर नॉट स्टेइंग विथ मी. किसको मैं चाहिए, यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट मी विथ माई चिल्ड्रन, नहीं है तो आई एम ओके। तो ये रूल सबके लिए था, इवन फॉर माई ब्रदर हो, मदर हो, और माई चिल्ड्रन ऑल्सो। माई वन सन ऑफ कोर्स ही स्टेज विथ मी ओनली, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। बट मैं कह रही हूँ, मैं इतनी मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड हूँ कि उनके तो मैं छोड़ूंगी नहीं, मैं किसी को भी छोड़ सकती हूँ उनके लिए। तो दैट इज वाई मे बी गॉड इज विथ मी ऑलवेज मैम। आप जैसे कोई ना कोई आ ही जाते हैं लाइफ में मेरे को सेल करके ले जाने के लिए। दैट्स व्हाई आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट, ये आगे तक तो मैं चली जाऊंगी। जो अभी छोटा मोटा आपसे सीखा उससे भी मैं कुछ कमा के इसी में डाल दूं।
आपको ये लगता है, मैं तो
हाँ,
आपको दूसरी चीज बोलती हूँ, बिकॉज आपके पास पैशन है इसलिए भगवान आपके साथ है। एंड यू नो व्हाट, गॉड हेल्प्स देम हु हेल्प्स देमसेल्व्स।
हाँ,
आप जो
सही।
कर रहे हो वो कोई भी इंसान नहीं कर सकता। एंड आई ट्रूली होप दैट थ्रू दिस मेडिटेशन फॉर द नेक्स्ट, आज का कल का जो भी हम 2 दिन मेडिटेशन कर रहे हैं, आई विल शेयर द लिंक विद ऑल ऑफ यू इन द ग्रुप्स. I hope you all will share it and you all will encourage people to donate to a very noble cause. Everybody will donate to children.
हाँ,
Everybody will donate to schools. But there is a huge animal population, dogs, cats, cows. और हमारे पास आज एक ऐसा फाउंडेशन है जो जेन्युइनली किसी की केयर करता है. It's not about showing, it's not about paperwork, it's not about promotions and propaganda. It is true work and true service to humanity. एंड ह्यूमैनिटी का सबसे ब्यूटीफुल पार्ट है दीज फोर लेगेड क्रीचर्स जो हम पर डिपेंडेंट है. वो कंप्लेंट नहीं कर सकते, आप उनको डांटो या आप उनको गुस्सा करो, वो आपको आके ही प्यार करेंगे. एंड आई ट्रूली होप दैट विद ऑल ऑफ अस टुगेदर, अपराजिता जी ड्रीम विल कम ट्रू. और एक दिन हम सब जाकर उनके साथ सेलिब्रेट करेंगे
यस,
न्यू
प्लीज, प्लीज।
फाउंडेशन एंड शेल्टर. सो चलिए आज की मेडिटेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं. बट बिफोर दैट, most of you have very um, I would say very selflessly donated whatever you put to this foundation, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart
Yes,
on behalf of
yeah,
Aparajita ji and
yeah.
Posters.
Thanks from my side also, ma'am. I've just made a 3 minute
आप,
video and forwarded to you.
yes you did, and I have shared it in all our groups.
अभी भेजे हैं मैंने एक और भेजे हैं।
एक और भेजा है, वो भी मैं कल कर.
हाँ, current, so that they all know what is
So
happening.
tomorrow I will share that video
Okay.
with the with tomorrow's message and meditation details. कल के लिए मैं दोबारा वो share करूंगी. So thank you everybody for donating, and I hope you all will find more people to join our cause and spread this word around. मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगी आप करो, लेकिन please find like-minded people who will stand up for this earth. The world needs us and we can only make a change if we stand together. हम सारी जिंदगी ये सोचते हैं कि काश हम कुछ कर पाते. I wish I could do something. Today you have the power to do something. So if you can't physically do it in whichever manner. Gather support, gather people, gather companies who can support us with CSR activities. This is one woman. I have known her for the last 2 years, and I know one thing. She is working 24/7 for her children. हमारे रिट्रीट में किसी का पर्स गुम गया था, कोई नहीं ढूंढ पाया था, ये ढूंढ कर लेकर आई. शी वेंट रूम टू सर्च फॉर दैट. Her commitment towards everyone except herself is 100%, नहीं 110,000%. अपने ऊपर जब आती हैं तो कोई कमिटमेंट्स नहीं है, कोई एक्सपेक्टेशंस नहीं है और कोई स्ट्रगल नहीं है. एंड आई ट्रूली होप फ्रॉम द बॉटम ऑफ माई हार्ट, अपराजिता जी, दैट 2 महीने के बाद में हम आपके नए शेल्टर पे आकर के अपने बेबीज
पक्का,
ले जाएंगे.
पक्का। मैंने ये सोच रखा है, मैं बिफोर आई लीव दिस अर्थ आई विल मेक अ 24/7 हॉस्पिटल फॉर देम, अ ब्यूटीफुल सैंक्चुरी वेयर 1000 डॉग्स कैन लिव एंड ईट एंड हील देमसेल्व्स, प्लस एन इलेक्ट्रिक केमोटेरियम, मैम। वो
तो
तो जरूरी है उनको, फॉर देयर डिसेंट एग्जिट के लिए उनको जरूरत है। ये
एंड
3 बिना बनाए मैंने बोल दिया yesterday, मैं सन वाज आस्किंग, मैंने अपने आप को 7 years दिया है, ये सब काम मैं करके ही जाऊंगी, मैं करूंगी।
आप अभी 7 years में इतनी जल्दी जाओगे नहीं, चिंता नहीं करो. हम आपके सारे
नहीं,
काम में आपको सपोर्ट करके 70 years और रखेंगे. इतना जल्दी
बट
नहीं.
जल्दी करना है, आई वांट टू
जल्दी करना है,
फिनिश
अग्रीड. काम जल्दी करेंगे और फिर बाकी के साल एंजॉय करेंगे.
यस मैम, फिर आपका रेट्रीट यहाँ करवाएंगे मैम।
बिल्कुल, फिर हम वहां रिट्रीट करेंगे विद द लॉट ऑफ अनकंडीशनल लव एंड
यस
सपोर्ट.
मैम, Yes.
Because इनका love and support is totally unconditional. There is no
Yes.
need for
That's
any
what.
and any expectation. So, chaliye, with this beautiful thought, let us start today's meditation. And I request everyone, today's meditation is going to be about Earth. It's not about you and it's not about me. हम हमेशा choose करते हैं ना to heal ourselves. Today, we are going to heal our Earth, the planet that we walk on. So, very quickly, a quick sound check and then we start. Can you hear me above the music, everybody? Abhi music will pick up a little sound. So please make sure you're all in a quiet space. Right? So let us begin. I'm putting everybody on mute now. Close your eyes. And I will request everybody's cameras to be on so that if I find any energy blockages, I can heal them side by side for all of you. Close your eyes, everybody. Back. Breathe in and breathe out. Falling into this rhythm of breath, I want you to let go of any thoughts, any distractions, any stress, doubt, hesitation, upset. Breathe in, hold your breath, exhale. Breathe in, hold your breath, and let go. And with your next breath, I want you to find yourself at the bottom of the oceans. Feel the water surrounding you from everywhere. Find yourself breathing peacefully in water as if you were a mermaid or a merman instead of a human. This deep darkness within the still waters, when the tide is at an ebb, the temperature of water is cool. The sun cannot touch the water down here. See, there's a seaweed trying to hold you, pulling you, playing a game of tug of war. Gently pull it off your tail and let it go. Small fishes, underwater flowers. See towards your right. There's a school of seahorses wanting to come and play. Starfishes, little and big aquatic life, moving in their own rhythm in the perfect ecosystem. When you feel free, there's no one to judge, no one to tell you this is not the way to be. When you feel hungry, you find aquatic fruits and you pick and eat them. You never feel thirsty, for the water is your essence. No one to tell you this is not the way to live. When you want friends, you are surrounded by a deep ocean of big and small life, which wants to work with you, which wants to play with you, hug you. And when you feel lonely, they come and give you a kiss. They tickle you, and you feel so belong. This is your space, your true paradise. And you play around, frolicking, swimming up and down, exploring this new world, which is so beautiful and untouched. You are one with the ocean. Rolling with the waves, swimming with the tide, moving against them and with them, swimming with the turtles, swimming with the whales. And then you see a beautiful school of dolphins playing tag with you. And suddenly, you are caught in an oil spill. You see dead fish around you, garbage thrown inside the ocean, oil spills polluting the essence of the ocean floor. You can't breathe. You have trouble breathing. You can't move, for there's garbage all around. And you wonder, who will help you out of this mess? And for 1 minute, you find yourself getting angry and then sad, for somebody has ruined your home, the place where you belong. You sense the pain of all life around you, of the little and the big life forms under this ocean. And their pain makes you cry. Feel the pain that the ocean life feels in this moment. Can you feel it? The struggle to breathe, the struggle to live, the struggle to find your way out of cans and heaps of garbage that litters the ocean floor. Fishing nets thrown in, and you don't know which bite would be your last. The unnecessary struggle for survival when survival is our birthright. And as you feel the pain of the entire ocean with and around you, including your own pain, trauma, and anger. You shout out into the universe, calling on to every life form, asking for help, asking for healing, asking for support. Tiny beams of light come all across, from all across the globe, come around you. And as if they are vacuum cleaners, start cleaning the filth. Feel the energies of millions and billions of humans getting together to collectively heal. We call on to the energy of Shiv, Mahadev, to clear the ocean beds. See the ocean. See all the garbage being collected and pulled together. See the cleaning in small bits happening all across the globe in this moment. See the oil spills being pulled into the vacuum, into a divine vacuum cleaner from the Pacific and the Indian, from every ocean of the globe. See the oil spills being cleaned. See the carcass of dead bodies, ships which were sunk into the sea to hide evidence, being pulled by a divine force and disintegrating into nothingness. See garbage disposed of from factories, homes by individuals being sucked into the vacuum cleaner. Channel all your anger, all your aggression, channel the inner Purush to help clean the earth. See fishing nets being cut and fishes becoming free. See, any kind of garbage, anything that is polluting the oceans, that is poisoning our waters and the aquatic life, being pulled into the vacuum cleaner from every water source globally. Visualize an earth and a huge divine vacuum cleaner on top of the earth. And as the earth rotates, all the pollution is being pulled in this vacuum cleaner from every water source, rivers, lakes, oceans, seas, man made water bodies, pull in. And now we call on to the Prakriti, nature, Mahakali, Mahadurga, to come and help us recreate what has been lost. See her in her Navdurga form or the Ashtalakshmi form, repairing, giving back life. See the reefs, the coral reefs of the earth being repaired, one piece at a time. See the ocean's water being replenished with pure divine energy. Dead fishes and plants gaining vitality and life. See the water sparkling, balancing the ecosystem that humanity has destroyed. And see yourself as the mermaid, playing, jumping, frolicking once again. See yourself in the ocean, freely moving, without the fear of being caught, without the fear of being hurt. Going into water caves, coming out from the other end, playing hide and seek in the reefs. See yourself playing with the little fishes and the big sharks, the whales and the dolphins. You are one with the Prakriti. Enjoy this time. But in our busy lives, when do we get this choice of running free, being ourselves, choosing ourselves? Yes, and for this entire world. Welcome back, everybody. How was your journey in the ocean? कैसा था ocean आपका?
बढ़िया.
Beautiful. Awesome, awesome, ma'am. It's very, very exciting. I can feel myself swimming and I can feel myself hugging the earth, and it's so, so amazing journey. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Yeah, Shweta, it was beautiful experience. I was literally cleaning everything.
Thank
It
you.
was really good. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Henna, come
Yeah,
on.
ma'am. Actually, I'm Shreya. Hi, ma'am.
Where are you? I can't see
Can
you.
you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, but
Yeah.
I cannot see you. Where are you?
Hi.
Yeah, now I can see you, finally.
Yeah, this is the first time I'm joining with you for the meditation and whatever. I joined for a space clearing, but I am not able to catch up with the class.
Okay.
But this is the first time I'm joined. I'm very much excited. Before sitting, I thought what I'm going to do. Simply, I don't know because all the time I'm not able to cope up with the meditation wherever I join. But this time I could see myself as a mermaid and I could run and, as you said, spills of oils and dead fishes, and I started crying. Actually, my struck trauma within me, I think, that much it came out, and after crying so much, I really feel very light. So this is a kind of past life regression, also this meditation. So I really thank you so much for making me feel happy and
Thank
more
you.
light.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
See, you are in me and I am in you. The same way we are in earth and the earth is in us. So whatever we feel, the earth feels, and whatever earth feels, we feel. Healing one is healing the other. Socho, we have such a miraculous planet, such a beautiful planet, and what are we doing to it and its life? It's time, guys. Wake up. And you don't have to do much. Just support those who are doing something for this earth. हम वैसे ही आगे बढ़ जाएंगे. Look for good causes, guys. Support causes. Support people who support causes. And you will support your earth. और किसको किसको मजा है? What happened with you all? Give me some experiences more. Yes, Neeta
I
ji.
saw myself as a mermaid, and usually I'm scared of water in the dark, what inside the ocean, but I enjoyed myself with the fishes and the corals and everything. And when you said that oil spill and all, I could actually feel myself suffocating. So, and yes, and then again, when we are back, the earth healed, and I could feel myself again like a free. But this time I was not a mermaid, I was just a normal, I was just enjoying everything.
Cool. Yes, Sushma ji.
Same. I mean, I was enjoying in the beginning and like with the retreat that we had of advanced मोक्षपट, तो मेरा पानी का fear निकल चुका था थोड़ा सा. So I was enjoying feeling the stillness because it's a deep below. I could feel the darkness and the stillness, and I was enjoying. In mermaid की तरह I was having fun, frolicking here and there. I even visualized my hair being rainbow colored and all. Like a silly child, I was enjoying myself. And when you said about all this spillage and oil spillage and everything, I could feel the suffocation and sadness, and like I could feel what we are doing to these harmless people, creatures. Like वो कुछ नहीं बोल सकते, वो कुछ नहीं कर सकते, and हम उनको और torture कर रहे हैं. That sadness was too much, and I cried a little. And then later the vacuum, I could see Shiva destroying everything. I could feel it like everything disappearing into nothingness, and I felt a little peaceful that yes, somewhere we are contributing some new changes in the world. And thank you for this experience. Thank you so much. I love your meditations, and this one was something uniquely different. So thank
This
you.
is something we've done for the first time, anyways.
Yeah,
We have never done a aquatic healing till now, till date. So this is new for me also.
thank you.
Thank you. please share this meditation. I will share the link. I'll upload it on YouTube and I'll share it with you all. Please share it in your communities. Invite more people to join in tomorrow. Archana ji, my vivid imagination is the only thing I have. One thing I must tell you, life में imagination है तो spirituality में बहुत easy path है. Because everything is possible. Where you have a very, 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 very creative mind. So it's a boon to have a creative mind because then you're not limited to your brain. Your thought is as unlimited as the universe. So please, please, please share this recording and ask more people to join in. It doesn't matter whether they are donating 200, 100, whatever, that's their choice. What matters is that we stand up for a worthy cause. हम नहीं कर सकते ना, कोई बात नहीं, जो कर रहा है उसको सपोर्ट करेंगे. Aparajita ji, I once again hope to create the best out of this, and I know you'll do it, and we're all there for you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everybody. See you all tomorrow. Same link.
Yes.
And take care, everybody. Till then,
Bye.
tomorrow
Thank
we're
you.
going to have another surprise. So tomorrow we're not doing cooking. कल कुछ और करेंगे.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye
Thank you.
bye.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye bye.